Hi, Karina here, natural health missionary with BODYKURE, and you know what I've decided to do? I've decided that this is going to be a vlog, and I can't tell you how often I'm going to be doing it, but as regular as we can, because I think it's important for people to see what we do as medical missionaries or as natural health missionaries. So I would like to share my experience and share our journey with you, and so this is going to be a vlog about that. The raw deal. It's 6:30 in the morning here in Jamaica. Yes, I have my do-rag on and I'm in my gym gear, just getting ready to do my exercise for the morning. And we do have actually a lady that has come to stay with us. She has gone for her exercise with Gary, and I will introduce you to her a little later on. And I'll explain everything about her, what's happening, and she's happy to be on film. She's in a serious condition, so she needs your prayers, and I believe by God's grace we will be able to see miracles take place here. And if not, then the Lord knows, and He is in control ultimately. So yeah, this is it. This is going to be the vlog. I'm outside. I'm in the veranda of our place that we're renting. It's not purchased yet, and this is it. So on another video I will show you around and let you see what's going on. So I hope you're intrigued. I'm happy to be sharing with you this, and it's uncut. Some video pieces will be pieced together, but this is just it. So I've never done a vlog before, so this is going to be a new experience for me, and so I hope you'll have the patience, and I hope you will keep us in prayer and have well wishes for us and for what we're trying to do. It's God's work. We're trying to help people heal, assist them in their healing journey, and also bring souls closer to Jesus, because that's ultimately what is required and necessary as we're in this world right now. So just about to do my exercise. I've got my skip in, and I'll show you some of this another time. But right now I just want to do a little introduction, tell you what I'm going to be doing, and hopefully you will subscribe to the channel. Subscribe and keep up and stay with us. And if you would like to support the ministry, feel free. And if you would like to pray for us, definitely please do that, because we definitely need the prayers of people who are connected with God, so that we can do more of His work. And then we will also, I'll keep all my subscribers in prayer too. So please, this is it. Hope you're okay with it. Okay, hello.
Hi.
We're just going on our little digestive walk.
Yes.
And right beside me I have Dolvis. And she's here with us because she has a health concern called cancer. Can you see that lovely view behind us? Anyway,
Yes.
we're just we're here with Dolvis. She's got cancer, and she can tell you what she's been experiencing, what she feels like, how long she's been suffering with this for.
I'm Dolvis. I'm suffering this cancer for 8 years now.
8 years.
Yes.
And did you follow up with any therapy, any treatments?
No, off and on.
Off and on?
Yes.
Okay.
Not consistent.
Not consistent.
No.
Jarvis wasn't very enthusiastic about the medical interventions, so she chose to do things naturally, and she's been going well for a good long time. But just this year, things changed for her, and that's why she's looking for help now. And so by God's grace, we're going to be able to help her. And there's a big old dog. Let us shut the gate. So, by God's grace, we'll be able to help her. And that's it, really. We're going to be tracking the progress. There's a big hefty dog over there. We're going to track her progress and allow you to follow along with us. Hi, how are you doing? So, this is it. We're just walking and talking. We're doing our digestive walk, like I've mentioned. So, it's breast cancer that she has, and it's at a pretty advanced stage. We went to see the doctor yesterday just to touch base, because she hadn't been to see one for a long time, because they don't speak very nice when you go to see a doctor about these things. And so we went to see one, and he didn't speak too brilliantly either. He wasn't mean, but you know, he wasn't saying things that we wanted to be hearing, and there was zero faith and trust in God's methods. So what can you do? You pray and you trust in the Lord, and you can move forward. He signed up for us to get some blood tests, so that's why we went earlier. So she has the marks on her arms to prove that she had a blood test today. So we're going to wait on the results of that, as well as continuing on with what we're doing. So this is it. Anything you want to say?
No, all I have to say is we are all humans, and we always take our health for granted. But from my experience, I would advise everyone to not to take their health for granted, but visit the doctor, get their regular checkup to find out how the body is working.
Right, exactly. Take a regular visit to the doctor to get their testings, blood tests, scans, the safe ones, things that are not going to hurt you in any way.
Yeah.
Just to check and track your body.
Yes.
You find things early, then you can use God's natural methods to fix things early, rather than leaving it late or getting to a stage where you don't know who to call or who to ask for help when you are in a situation of need. As far as Jarvis was concerned, she knew she wanted to go God's way, and she has been doing, in 8 years, she's been doing a lot of natural things. But she didn't know anyone at the time to call for additional help, or if she did know, there was an affordability problem. Because as we know, a lot of healthcare, even natural healthcare, can be quite expensive. Even to get a simple blood test, it costed 24,000 Jamaican dollars today to do that blood test, which was quite a good amount of money, bearing in mind the average salary per month in Jamaica is around 30 to 40,000 Jamaican dollars, the lower end. There are people that are on more money than that, to 70,000, but even to somebody that is on 70,000 and higher, 25,000 Jamaican dollars is a lot of money to spend on a blood test when you haven't got it. And so this was the situation here. How's she doing on a digestive walk, anybody? I think she's doing pretty good. anyways, that's it. So until our next clip, maybe I'll come back on. I don't want to use up all my battery life and memory on this phone. Maybe we'll record on the way back down so you can see the views. Okay, bye!
Bye.
Some goats up there. Munching away. And there is our little house.
Oh, Rich, not
Yeah.
even realize.
See, it's not that far, is it? The digestive walk. Just a little short walk after we've eaten. There's a notorious famous car that gives us so much trouble, but we're so grateful for. We've got some pak choy growing in this area here. Got a lot of greens.
You can cut these up, you can cut now.
Yeah.
And that's sheen in Pondo, huh?
Dashing.
And some tomatoes because somewhere they need the transplant.
Okay, so here I am again. We just finished our digestive walk, and time's flying because now it's 4:30. This morning it was 6:30. I was doing exercise, and now it's 4:30, and it's time to go in and do our group evening or afternoon Bible study. So that's what I'm going to go and do now. And yeah, just so you know, moving forward, this ministry is co-founded with my husband Gary, and we now have somebody called Sandra on board with us. Sandra doesn't mind being on camera, but Gary does, so you will not be seeing him on camera very much. Sometimes you might get a glimpse of him, but he doesn't want to be on film. It was hard enough for me to get my head around being on this camera, to be honest with you. But here we are. I want to share with you what we're doing and how we go about things and everything. So this is how it's going to be. This part is vlog. Never done a vlog before. No doubt I'll learn how to do a vlog better as time goes on. But this is it. So I'm just going to go inside now and do the evening Bible study with Darvis, Gary and Sandra. And yeah, that's it. So today what we did, we went to get the blood test done. Yesterday was the doctor's. Today we went to get the blood test done. So now we just have to wait on the results to get our initial starting point as to what's going on with Darvis, and then we can continue on. She's on detox program at the moment, and then she will be on a different program after we finish the detoxing to help give her body the right conditions in order that she can, by God's grace, she'll be able to heal herself. Her body will, the immune system will kick in and work to heal rather than to break down. So that's what we're doing, and I ask again for your prayers. If you would like to subscribe, then please do, and keep us in prayer, and I will say a prayer for every single one of our subscribers. So if you'd like me to pray for you and for your families, then please subscribe and keep up. I'll try to keep you updated with what we're doing. And if you have any prayer requests, please put that in the comment box below. And yes, also please share the video. Let people, send it through WhatsApp, send it through Facebook, wherever you want to share it to, so let people know that there is a way that God can use to help people get better from their diseases. Or even sometimes if people don't recover, sometimes people don't get get better. Even if they do everything perfectly, sometimes they don't get well, and God knows why. God knows why. But still, we can still be encouraged that people will be a lot more at peace with God, and at peace and in less discomfort with their bodies, you know, and not fearful, you know. So this is what we're aiming for. And forgive me, I keep looking that side and trying to remember to look right here instead, because it's strange, you know. But oh, big old, I'm standing right underneath a breadfruit tree and the leaves are massive. Can you see them? Let's look at this. Let's see this. Let's see this. See this? Look how big this is. It is huge. And one of them just fell off and nearly scared me. So let's turn on. This right here, look, massive. One of those just fell off and frightened me. Anyways, see you soon.